In this video, let me guide you through how to fix WhatsApp web not working or opening on your PC. First, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. Select New Incognito window. Try launching WhatsApp web from here and see if it works. If it's still not working, click on the three vertical dots again. Scroll down and select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security from the left menu. Then select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Set the time range to all time and press delete data. Check if the issue is resolved. If not, go back to the three vertical dots, scroll down and click on settings. Scroll down and select About Chrome. Ensure your web browser is up to date. If any updates are available, install them. Once you've completed these steps, try opening WhatsApp web again. This should resolve any issues. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.